Hello everyone, this is Nikki Sandoval, the owner of Pretty Me Wellness Clinic and Spa, and also the originator of Snow White Drip Set and Aurora Drip Set. On my previous vlog, lots of you were asking me which among the three drips that I have mentioned is the best. Is it Snow White, Cindella, or Aurora Drip Set? So this vlog will be trying to discuss and dissect which is the best. First, we need to consider the content of each drip. Actually, Aurora, Snow White, and Cindella has the same content of glutathione, which is 1,200 milligrams per vial, and the same content of vitamin C, which is 10 grams to 20 grams per vial. The only difference that they have is their content of alpha-lipoic acid. Both Cindella and Aurora Drip Set has 25 milligrams per 5 ml of alpha-lipoic acid per ampule, while Snow White contains 300 milligrams per 12 ml. And now let's go to the pricing. At present, Cindella is the most expensive among the three drips. It has an SRP of 8,000 to 12,000 per set, while Snow White has an SRP as per NEXUS PHARMA of 8,000 pesos per set. So the most affordable among the three is of course the Aurora Drip Set, which has an SRP of 7,000 to 7,500 per set. And considering the price and the content, it is between Snow White Drip Set and Aurora Drip Set. Being the one who introduced Snow White Drip Set here in the Philippines and Aurora Drip Set, I actually coined those terms. Maybe I could give you some tips and insight on which one to buy. Like I said in my previous vlog, alpha-lipoic acid is being used in lowering blood sugar level in the body. So it is being used with clients having diabetic neuropathy or diabetes mellitus. But if your body is not compromised, you can use a lower version of alpha-lipoic acid. Because if you're only for whitening and detoxing, the one with the Aurora Drip Set, the 25 milligrams per 5 ml, is enough to suffice the regeneration of vitamin C and glutathione that is being oxidized. And basing on our clinical experiences, majority of our clients using the Snow White Drip Set, be it IV push or IV drip, experience symptoms of hypoglycemia like dizziness, nausea and vomiting, cold sweats, and shakiness. While on the other hand, those clients that we have in the clinic using the Aurora Drip Set, we never have any record of them reporting to us that they experience symptoms of hypoglycemia. It is because of the Aurora Drip Set contains a lower dose of alpha-lipoic acid compared to the Snow White Drip Set. So if you want to avoid discomfort and a pleasant effect of a high dose of alpha-lipoic acid, you may use the Aurora Drip Set. But if you want a higher version because you have diabetes mellitus or diabetic neuropathy, or you have a high level of blood sugar, you can use a higher dose, which is the Snow White. So if your main goal is just for detoxing or skin whitening, I suppose this Aurora Drip Set is just okay and enough. Remember, in skin whitening and detoxing, the most important in here is the glutathione. It's the amount of glutathione that you put into yourself. This two, Snow White and Aurora, will just regenerate the oxidized glutathione and the vitamin C. Regenerate meaning they will just recycle those two in the body. And so when I was being offered by NEXUS PHARMA exclusive distributorship here in the Philippines, I actually went for Aurora Drip Set instead of the Snow White Drip Set. Although Snow White Drip Set is very dear to my heart because I was the one who coined the term Snow White instead of lipodicin. But then I actually don't like seeing my clients experiencing symptoms of hypoglycemia or feeling of discomfort. So Because of that, I opted to have the Aurora Drip Set. And so maybe now you understand why I am endorsing Aurora Drip Set. And for those clients or interested parties who would like to become our distributor in the Philippines, you can send us a message on our Facebook page, Pretty Me Wellness Clinic and Spa, or you can call us on our number 074-619-1175. And I will be seeing you very, very soon. Ciao!